Alright guys, some dude new here. I almost fucking forgot my name. Yeah, I am Groot. We got Toshii here. So as you see, I went ahead and have been gutting out this old Intel Pentium. Can we focus right here? This Pentium D, old Windows XP. My grandma could have put Vista on this bitch and she never did.
Good.
Vista wasn't that bad. It needed a lot of tweaking. So as you can see, it was the old home desktop, and Chris actually has a lot of PC parts. So we were wondering if I could put the PC parts I needed in this case, but to see, I actually needed to start getting this shit out. So, man, hardcore sleeper build. So, So, I got about, I don't really care, but, I know y'all gonna be like, you touching the RAM with all these protective wonderful. Anyway, I got about, a gig of RAM. As you can see, it is dusty as a fucking bitch.
You know, I started not to feel bad about like how I handle computer parts because I always think I would be too rough for doing something I should. Then I'd watch like Jay's 2 Cents or Linus or just anybody with a tech channel. It's like the way they handle computers after they've been building them for a while. Dude, they don't care.
They know what they're doing. It's like they know what is a possible risk and what isn't a risk at all. And for somebody that's new like us,
every precaution.
Right, because they have the money. If they fuck up a part, they can just send it back or get a new one because they probably already got a new one. My bad, taking out the cords for the fucking like this drives. Yeah.
For those old ones, man, they just kind of you gotta be careful sometimes in that case. You cut your head.
This is true. But yeah, they kind of they should be able to just slide right out. And I think my cousin actually added one of the disk drives to this thing like a while back. And I am always out of focus with this. But yeah, so this is, this has been my daily project. I actually want to know, oh my God, look at the dust in the fucking power supply, yo. I know you can't see it, Tosh, until like I upload this video. But it's fucking fur growing out of this shit, bro. Dude. I've never done a PC build video ever. So this is more interesting than me taking this apart. For the simple fact, I'm like getting camera angles I never thought I'd ever use. Especially with a fucking iPhone 5. So this is like, just look at that. I'm literally just pulling shit out. Look at that. Gross. Oh man. So yeah, I'm gonna like pause it here so I can like get some more of these cords out. But that's pretty much the gist of what is going on. Once I get it fully emptied, I'm gonna do some more recording and talk to you guys. So yeah, how do I want to teleport you guys to the next chat? Do it like dusty home place. Alright guys, I have completely emptied the case. Wasn't much, I mean it was a lot. So we got a couple things. We got a fan here. This fucking was the thing, it's fucking heavy as shit. We got a little thermal paste. Will you focus? Yeah, it still got some thermal paste, so it's holding up, but it is dusty as a fuck. Let's see what should be some type of integrated graphics card-y bullshit that I might actually put back on. So I'm gonna put that there along with, I want to say this is like a PCI thingy, pretty much for the internet and other bullshits. Put that back on. We got a couple cords, some optical disc drives right here. I'm gonna probably gift these to Toshii. One of them was actually like bought. I think it's this bottom one. Yeah, it was like a DVD. Yeah, it was a rewritable burner. So I'll probably give both of these to Toshii. Other than that, we got a 300 watt power supply here. It says on the there to the left. Focus. Yeah, if you can 300 watt and stuff. That's about it. It was running a Pentium D. And it still has some thermal pasting. This open. So yeah, it still has thermal pasting on it. Still pretty neat. So, I mean, just for purposes. Make sure that's all nice and snug. Alright. I have some RAM around here somewhere. Oh, and the RAM. It was about a gig worth of RAM, so it's 2 RAM sticks. So just for purposes, I'm gonna put all of that back together. I'm gonna probably just keep this motherboard and like hang it up or some shit. It was fun disassembling a PC, especially an old PC like that. It's dusty as fucking man. Most of these parts are gonna go to the garbage, but those that I do keep are definitely going in here. So thank you guys for being patient. I wish I could have got like myself just taking that whole thing apart, but this is gonna be one of the quick vlogs for you guys, nothing too long. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it right here, add these pieces, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna keep. So I'll be back with you guys in a second. Alright, so it didn't take long, so about 30 extra seconds. So keeping the Pentium D on 1 gig of RAM, my GPU, and the internet slotty thing. This is pretty much my motherboard for the Windows XP PC. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Actually, I found this low light thing, so I might so yeah, base cover. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was just me goofing around, having a little fun. Not gonna do too much of an edit here, just gonna give you guys what I got. And I hope you guys enjoy. Next time I actually might, what I might do is I actually have like a Windows freaking 97, I think that is, or 98. I might actually do like a live stream for that one, so you guys can see piece by piece how it's falling apart. So you guys know the spiel, like, comment, and subscribe. Toshii was with me, but as you can see on my Skype, he has disappeared. So, yeah, waiting on him to come back. We probably might play a couple video games and get you guys some more stuff. So, hope you guys enjoyed this disassembly video. So, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.